How to delete your Apple ID account? Well, to delete your Apple ID account, first you need to sign out from all your devices. For example, if you're signed in on any iPhone, then you can head into settings, then head into your username at the top. Then what you want to do is you want to proceed to sign out to the account, so you can see the sign out option. Once you're signed out, you want to head into any browser on any device, and what you want to do is you want to head into the website here, privacy.apple.com. So head into privacy.apple.com and proceed to login. So as you can see, the website will load up and it'll ask you to log in, and make sure to log in with the account that you wish to delete. So once you are signed in, it should take you to the page. What you want to do is you want to find the option, scroll down and find the option to delete your account. So down below you can see delete your account option right here. So you can tap on it, request to delete your account, and go through the prompts to request your account deletion, and your account will be deleted. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.